Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that has been the subject of many discussions in the technology world, the dark web. The internet is an ever-expanding universe with endless possibilities. It is a place where we can learn, work, shop, and connect with people from all over the world. However, there is a darker side to the internet, known as the dark web, which is a hidden world that is not accessible through regular search engines. So, what is the dark web, and why is it so mysterious and elusive? The dark web is a part of the internet that can only be accessed using specialized software, such as the Tor browser, which allows users to browse the internet anonymously. It is a hidden network of websites and services that are not indexed by search engines, making them invisible to the average internet user. The dark web is also known as the darknet, and is used for a variety of purposes, both legal and illegal. Some people use it to protect their privacy and anonymity, while others use it to conduct illegal activities, such as buying and selling drugs, weapons, and stolen data. One of the most well-known parts of the dark web is the Silk Road, a marketplace for illegal drugs that was shut down by the FBI in 2013. However, there are many other marketplaces on the dark web that sell a variety of illegal goods and services. The dark web is also a place where hackers and cybercriminals can sell stolen data, such as credit card numbers and personal information. This data can be used for identity theft and other illegal activities. While the dark web is often associated with illegal activities, it is also used by journalists, activists, and whistleblowers to communicate and share information in a secure and anonymous way. However, navigating the dark web can be dangerous and is not recommended for inexperienced users. The anonymity provided by the Tor browser can make it difficult to trace illegal activities, and users can be targeted by hackers and cybercriminals. It's important to understand that the dark web is not the same as the deep web, which refers to parts of the internet that are not indexed by search engines but can still be accessed through normal browsers. The deep web includes private social media accounts, online banking systems, and other secure websites that require login credentials. Navigating the dark web can be dangerous, although it's not recommended you log onto the dark web. If you do, it's important to take steps to protect yourself from potential risks. Here are some tips on how to protect yourself on the dark web. 1. Use a reputable VPN. A virtual private network, VPN, encrypts your internet connection and hides your IP address, making it more difficult for hackers to track your online activity. It's important to use a reputable VPN provider that has a no-logging policy and offers strong encryption. 2. Use a secure browser. The Tor browser is the most commonly used browser for accessing the dark web. It encrypts your traffic and allows you to browse the internet anonymously. It's important to keep your Tor browser up to date and avoid downloading any additional plugins or software. 3. Use strong passwords. When creating accounts on the dark web, it's important to use strong, unique passwords for each account. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long and include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. 4. Don't share personal information. Avoid sharing personal information, such as your name, address, and phone number, on the dark web. If you need to make a purchase or share information, use an anonymous email address and fake name. 5. Use a reputable market. If you need to purchase goods or services on the dark web, use a reputable market that has a good reputation and offers escrow services. This will help protect you from scams and fraudulent sellers. 6. Be cautious of links. Don't click on any suspicious links or download any unknown files on the dark web. These could contain malware or viruses that could compromise your device. Remember, navigating the dark web can be risky, but taking these steps can help protect you from potential risks. Remember to use a reputable VPN and browser, use strong passwords, avoid sharing personal information, use a reputable market, and be cautious of links. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below, and don't forget to stay safe online. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more.